In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures from the section of pictures that you wish to get rid of and hit Select All at the top right corner. Now to keep some of them, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Remove button at the bottom right corner. Then hit Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!